and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be making chocolate malt cookies. So guys, I've not made a video in quite a while, so I thought I'll make one. So before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get on with the video. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is just 50 grams of unsalted butter. Then you will need 200 grams of dark chocolate. You need 1 tin, 397 grams of condensed milk, 25 grams of ground almond, 2 heaps of hot, like malt drink type thing. Then you will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, and you'll also need 100 grams of Maltesers. So first you've got to do is melt the butter and the chocolate into a pan in a low heat until smooth and combined. So the first thing I'm going to add is my butter. Then I'm going to break these up into little pieces so they cook quicker. So yeah guys, I have done it all nicely now. So it's just into little chunks like that. I'm just going to put it on a low heat until it's nice and smooth. So guys, I've just put it off the heat and that is what it's meant to look like. All nice and well melted, shall I say. Then you have to remove the heat and stir in the condensed milk. Gonna get this so that I can put my chocolate thing on my put in the condensed milk. Right then, now you're just gonna mix it up. So there's not that many white patches, so it's just basically chocolate again. Right, then you add in the almonds, and then you add in this. So I'm going to go get a teaspoon. Yep, so you're just going to add in 2 tablespoons of that. So this is what makes it malt cookies, apart from the Maltesers. Now let's mix this up. Now, once you've stirred that up, it's meant to really look like this. Going to put that on there. Now we're going to get a sift. I'm going to sift in the flour. Good. Now mix it up again. We're going to put it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just going to scoop off all of the remaining thing that's on my spoon, so none of it goes to waste. If I can. So I'm going to put this in the thing. This is what it's meant to look like, by the way, for 20 to 30 minutes, no longer. So I'm going to go and put this in the fridge. It is all been out for about 25 minutes, just because it's in the middle from 20 to 30 minutes, and that is what it looks like. So now we're going to get our Maltesers. I'm going to get our Maltesers. I'm going to get a bag. Now we're going to put, there's 110 grams, but we can do. So guys, that is roughly about 100 grams. So it's a bit of wet patch on the counter. Let's rub that up. Right. Now we're going to hold it and we're just going to smash it. Yeah. Kind of made little holes, so I'm just going to put it and just wipe that off again. So, right, now we get this back again, and we just pour the broken Maltesers into there. That will do. Now let's get our spatula again and just mix it up. Might be a lot harder because it's been in the fridge. It's all done, so it looks like that. So now we're going to preheat the oven to 170 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit or gas free. And I've already done that. So let's get our tray. So we're going to be using this tray. And I'm probably going to go get a spoon. And a knife. Just so that if I need any help. There. So they're going to be sized like a golf ball, and I'm going to squish them. So, oh, it's warm a little bit. Make sure you wash hands. So that's about the size of a golf ball. I'm just going to place it and then we're going to flatten it a little bit. So guys, I have just done them, and they're not that actually like sticky, so I didn't have to wash them in that much. But now I'm going to do 2 batches because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it's meant to make 24. So I've still got a bit left, so I am probably going to put them in the oven for about 12 minutes. I'm going to put in the oven for 12 minutes. So So I'll see you when the first batch is done. So you guys, they just came out the oven and this is what they look like. You're looking for a nice sturdy, like outside, nice and then nice and soft and gooey in the inside. So we're going to leave them on the rack or on here for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put them onto a cooling rack. So, and then when you've done that, you just repeat what I've literally just done. You can watch the video again to do the second batch if you have enough for a second batch. So, yes, I will see you when both of them are nice and dry, well not dry, nice and cooled down. So, see you then. These are the actual finished ones that are all nice and dry or cooled down, and those are the ones. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and turn that post notification to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you for staying tuned all the way to the end. See you guys. Bye.